What is a business laptop? They're often lightweight, efficient machines tailored for productivity. These laptops are all about minimalist design, speed, lightweight portability, and impressive battery life, essential for those long work sessions or traveling for work. How does it differ from a regular laptop? Business laptops are very similar to your average consumer laptops, but with the odd cosmetic and feature differences. The design is quite slimline and nondescript, making them perfect for office environments and professional settings. The best part of a business laptop is their ability to handle diverse tasks, from crunching numbers in spreadsheets to running complex presentations and video conferences without slowing down. Largely, they're built to handle multitasking and favour battery and processing power over anything else. It's also important to have very good security features to protect important company data and house decent connectivity options to ensure you stay productive wherever you go. Who are they aimed at? Business laptops are designed specifically for professionals in all industries. Whether you're a corporate executive, an entrepreneur on the move, or a creative professional needing reliability and power, these laptops tend to have everything you need to support your work. Key features. Here are some essential features you need to look out for in a professional laptop. Advanced security measures like biometric scanners to help protect sensitive data on multiple levels. Lightning-fast connectivity options for connecting devices, sharing data, and presenting information to colleagues. An extended battery life to keep you going throughout the day. A lightweight and durable chassis that fits into any compact travel bag. And a good inbuilt webcam with a privacy filter and a microphone for conducting Teams calls so your collaborators can see and hear you clearly. Recommended specifications. Most business laptops prioritize good performance and battery capacity, making them a more expensive choice than some of the leading all-round models. As a minimum, look for at least an Intel Core i5 or AMD Ryzen 5 processor, 8GB of RAM, preferably 16GB for multitasking, between 500GB and a 1TB SSD storage for speed, and a Full HD display for crisp visuals. Always consider what you'll be using the laptop for before purchasing. For example, if you're largely working on cloud or online-based apps and occasionally stream TV shows, you can easily opt for a more budget-friendly machine with a mid-range CPU and less RAM capacity. Leading manufacturers. When looking for brands, check if the features match your needs, and always shop for quality and durability with a good reputation. When it comes to top-rated brands, Lenovo, HP, Dell, and Apple often lead the way as they're renowned for their reliability, innovation, and comprehensive support, making them trusted choices among professionals worldwide. Follow Box for more tech tips.